Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to show notifications for groups on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've ever missed an important group message because notifications weren't popping up, this quick tutorial will help you fix that in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's launched and you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll notice three small horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on those lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your important account options. From that menu, scroll down and select the option labeled Settings. Once you're inside Settings, you'll find several categories to choose from. The one we want is called Notifications and Sounds. Click on that, and it will take you to a page dedicated entirely to how Telegram alerts you for different types of chats. Inside Notifications and Sounds, you'll see several sections, including options for private chats, channels, and most importantly, groups. To make sure you're receiving alerts from your group conversations, find the Groups section and enable notifications. This might involve simply toggling a switch or checking a box, depending on the layout of the update. Once enabled, Telegram will immediately start showing notifications whenever someone sends a message in your groups. That's really all it takes. With this done, you won't have to worry about missing group updates, announcements, or important discussions anymore. Every time members of your community or work group send a message, you'll see the notification right away on your PC. One more quick tip. While you're still in the Notifications and Sounds menu, you can also customize things further. For example, you can choose to mute certain groups if they're too active, or adjust sound and pop-up settings to match your preferences. This way, you stay in control of what you see and hear without being overwhelmed. So, just remember the sequence. Open the Telegram app, click the three lines at the top. Go into Settings, head to Notifications and Sounds, and then enable Groups. With these simple steps, you'll never miss an update again.